Hi guys, this is my new project voting machine using MATLAB GUI. So we know that when we are doing any GUI project, we have to go to command window and type a command guide. So when we enter, a pop-up window will show and it will ask create new or open existing. So in new, we'll create brand. So this will open the GUI window. In this we can press OK buttons. So push button will place some few depending upon the requirement, and we can put our text boxes, just drag and drop. So we can give our names here, and another output we can give here. So depending upon the requirement we can give. When we are building an voting machine, the basic requirement is the name and the voting button. So push button we can give as voting button, and the name we can give. I have included some extra features I will be discussing in my GUI. So push buttons, you can change its property by double clicking it. Inspector window will open and you can change the name, font color, whichever color you want you can change it to that. Then background color also you have an option. Then font size you can change. So font size is changed. Then visibility should be always on. We have to make sure that visibility is always on so that in our output window push button is visible. We now know that how to make a push button, how to enter static stack. So in place of string, type this and enter. So there has been changed, so you can give n number of your voters. We can include n number of names and n number of push buttons. Similarly, we have to do some calculation. We have to take another push button for displaying the result. So for displaying result, we'll give another push buttons, and for now this push buttons for our ministers or whichever elections we have to do. So these push buttons are for our ministers or whichever elections we have to do. Okay, so next I'm going to show you my GUI which I have built. The same thing you can take from Gmail ID. Now I'm going to show you what I have built, what I have designed as a GUI for my electronic voting machine. So just close this, type guide once again. So this time we'll go for open existing. If you have stored, so open, this is my third GUI project, so it will open my, I have given 5 options to vote and results tab here, just push button. I have changed the name, that is string, and here the result will be displayed as total number of voters, and we can press buttons. And for security purposes we have added some noise feature that I will be discussing when I will be showing you the output. And number of votes received, like if I press this button, Naveen Kovic should get 1 vote. Similarly the same thing follows for all the 5, and depending upon the number of votes and total number of votes, the formula is used to calculate the percentage of votes received per person. So this is our output. When you run after building an GUI, a code in editor file will open. That code I am going to show you now. It will generate the number of functions depending upon the buttons we have used. So we have used total 6 buttons and 12 display units plus 1 for result. Total 13 display units plus 6 press buttons. So 13 plus 6, total 19 functions we have got. When we are doing any voting count, first we have to initialize all the votes for single members to 0. So that will be our first task to do. Define all the names and initialize those names as 0 votes. Then for single person we have to assign press button. Whenever we press this button, it should increase the count by 1. For press button 1, we have to give instruction Naveen COVID equals Naveen COVID plus 1. That name should be increased. If I press this button, the count value of votes for Naveen should increase by 1. Similarly, the same thing follows. So we got our 5 results as the name equals name plus 1. Simple incrementing operator whenever we press the button. For security, as I mentioned, the best thing we have done, if you have any better idea for security purpose or any innovative idea, you can mention those ideas in comments. I'll be happy to implement it. Then 5 functions we got, and for the percentage of votes received, as I said, after pressing all buttons, when we press result, all this 12 plus 13 fields should be filled with the correct value. When I press button, it will be incremented, votes will be incremented, but it will not be displayed until we press the result button. So first 5 functions we have given it to press buttons that will increment upon pressing, and when we press result, another 13 functions we have to assign. These are one line commands. I am going to show you those commands. Those are easy. For percentage of votes, the number of votes divided by total number of votes, and for total number of votes, this function is just addition of all the number of votes received by individual. So those adding, we got total numbers, and for that particular we have to divide by total numbers so that we will get percentage of votes received. This is a simple demo project I have done. So I will show you the functions. So my functions are there. See, these functions are just single. Just we have to give whatever object we have created and just get default background color whatever they have done. And don't worry about the what is available. If you want the complete .m file and .fig for GUI, both the files I'll be sharing with you. Just comment your mail ID, and within day or two I'll be sending you the entire set of code. And if you need extra explanation about any functions or the logic behind the working of it, that also I am ready to help. You just have to comment your mail ID down. Okay, we are ready to go. We'll just see the output. So just run the code. It's around 445 lines. Yeah, we got the output window. This is what we designed. So we have total 5, so that we can hold this 5 and we can select the winner out of it. So Naveen COVID, Dev's Dettol, Navjit Napkin, Bharat Mask, and Tarun China. So this is the output. We have got 5 to vote: Tarun, Bharat, Navjit, Devs, and Naveen. So press button. Now the main question is, what is the security measures I have followed? Security, when someone comes to vote, he has to vote for single person. He can't vote multiple times. For that we have to give a buffer system. Like when he press a button, some sound it has to come. That I have implemented. I'll be going to show you that. So let's begin the voting process. So I press this, then Navjit, then another voter came and pressed. So that chirp sound is that I have added. So whenever we press a single button, that sound will be there. Until that sound goes, the program will be running and it will be incrementing. Similarly, I have given once again. So let's go for results. When I press some results, the number of votes, total 1 for Naveen, 2 for Dev, 1 for Navjit, and depending upon the number of votes he has got, the percentage of votes is calculated. This is helpful while calculating the winner. So if we compare the percentage, 33.33, the highest one, so he is the winner, and total number of voters voted 6. So thank you. This was my a small demo project. You can implement this in your college mini projects in MATLAB, or if you are electrical or electronics student, that time also you can use. If you like the project, please hit a thumb button and subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing more videos on MATLAB projects. And if you have any doubts or need clarification, you can mention your queries in comments. I'll be reading those and I will be updating the answers as soon as possible.